Loop is the future. So what is Loop? Loop is simple components. Let's go to chat and Teams, and I'm going to send myself a chat. I'll use a Loop component. There's lots of options here. I'm going to create a little task list for myself. I'll use the checklist component. I'll put in a title, and I'll keep it an easy to remember title because this will also be the file name. It's just like a live mini document, and I can jump back in at any time and update it. Now, what if you wanted to collaborate? It will work the same in a chat with another colleague as a live component, and I can also send the link. Let's see how it looks in an email. I've gone to an email and I've pasted the link. It will autocorrect to make it more user-friendly. You'll see the file name is .fluid, and that will update eventually to .loop. I'll put a note in here for my colleague, and when they click the hyperlink, we'll be able to see how it looks from their side. And remember, it's live, so as they update it, it will update in Teams as well. Here they've added a task in, and you can see that it's live and it's quick and it's updated my one too. Back in office.com, if I go to OneDrive and do a search, I can find my Loop files here. So Loop is stored in OneDrive, but you don't need to go and find it each time. Just use it in Teams, use the link. It's fluid, it's live, it's Loop.